Hello friends, this is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. In this class we are going to learn about future tense, future simple tense, and it is also called future indefinite tense. Yes guys, it is very simple tense. Any activity or any situation which will take place in future, which is going to happen in future, it is called future tense. It could be after 10 minutes, after 50 minutes, or after 10 years, after 50 years. It could be anything. So here we learn about how to make sentence and how to make a structure, how to make sentence, where to use your sentence, and what is the situations come in our life where we can use this tense. It is very simple tense in English grammar, and I really think after this chapter all the confusion will be removed. So please pay attention. Let's see the structure. In structure, first we take subject, the person who is doing the action. It is called subject, like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, anyone. It is called subject. Then we use will, shall or shall. Shall we use with the first person. I shall go, we shall go. We use shall. And or can, you can also use may with the first form of the verb. In future tense, we use the first form of the verb. Let's see the situation. What type of situations come in our life where we can use this tense? It is very simple. First, generally work will complete in future. Guys, any work, anything which will complete in future, we use future tense. It is very simple guys. Any work will start in the future or will complete in the future, we use future tense. Example, I shall go to Delhi. I is the subject, shall we use with the first person. I shall go to Delhi. Second example is that we may play a match. This match, this activity will take place in future. We may play a match. It is the possibility to play a match, and you will go to office. Right now at the time of speaking, work is not going to be done, but it will take place in future time. You will go to office. Second situation is that conditional sentences. We use future simple tense or future indefinite tense where we want to talk about conditional sentences. There are two clauses in conditional sentences. First, if clause, second is main clause. We use will with the main clause. Example, if it rains, I will not come. It is not raining right now, but yes, the weather is cloudy, so it may rain after 10 minutes or after 10 hours. So it is the possibility. So if it is the conditional sentence, if it rains, I will not come. First main thing is that never use will here. Never use. Don't use with the if clause. In if clause, don't use will. Here we use present indefinite tense. If it rains, I will not come. Second, if she asks me, I will go to office. I am not going to office. I will not come to the office. But if she asks me to come, I will go to office. Other situation is that future actions or formal actions. We use future indefinite tense where we want to talk about formal future actions. When you want to talk about the formal actions, example, winter will come again. It is the fix. Every year winter come. So it is the general talking. It is the formal talking. So winter will come again. Second example, birds will build nest. Birds will build nest. Next, we can also use will be, shall be in future tense, future simple tense. Example, tomorrow will be Monday. It is fixed that today is Sunday. There are 7 days in a week, so tomorrow will be Monday. It is fixed. Something is fixed. So tomorrow will be Monday. I will be 50 on my birthday. I will be 50. I will be completing 50 on my next birthday. He will be happy to meet you. He will be angry. So this is expressions, feelings. Angry. He will be angry. When you want to tell someone that if it happens, he will be angry or she will be happy. So you can use simple future tense. So it brings me to the end of the lesson, guys. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe it. I will come up with the new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye.